So what are you planning on doing after working here?
I think I'm going to become a teacher. Class I did the best in high school would be math, because my math teacher, he's just like a good dude.
Of course, the teachers that we enjoyed were the classes we did best in. Hey YouTube, welcome to the Beyond Sale podcast. This is A-Dog, also known as AJ, but his name's not even AJ, it's Alec.
I got a lot of aliases here.
What do you do outside of work?
It's nice and cold. We'll go out snow golfing.
Do you use a white ball too, just to make it harder?
No, you have to use like a bright red ball.
Maybe you'll get everyone to start a fantasy golf league.
Yes.
We should start doing fantasy just at all times, no matter what. Like fantasy ultimate frisbee.
Fantasy cornhole players.
Oh, spike ball.
Spike ball. Oh yeah.
I'd have to be on the roster though.
How's your fantasy football?
I beat you this week. I just beat you yesterday.
I know. How do we rig this league so me and you both win and split the $1,000? We should talk about this and figure it out.
Yeah, maybe not on the record though.
All right, what's your favorite word? Russian, English, or Spanish?
Most people in the office can at least understand Russian, so they've been teaching me a little bit. I have to say my favorite one so far has been tato. I don't know.
Tato is father in Ukrainian.
Yeah.